Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, November 13th, and this is my analysis for gold, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, this thing is definitely looking pretty strong, and I've been saying this whole time that it's either a wave B or a wave 2, which would be a pullback to this move down. It's looking almost too strong to be that. It almost looks more like a 1, 2, 3 pattern. My next big area of resistance is the 78%, which is right around the 42.80 area. Maybe that could be an area where we could get like a bounce, but I mean, at this point, it looks like it needs to form a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a break a structure before we become bearish again. Definitely staying very bullish. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, the 1 to 2 hour time frame, I think, is where it's trending. My most recent structure is right here. If it breaks below there, then I would be more than happy to start looking for shorts. Otherwise, I'm definitely still looking for longs. Like yesterday, I was saying the same thing. My structure was down here. And I said, if this is a pullback, then I would just continue to keep looking for longs. If you just keep on following structure and just go along with the market flow, then normally you're going to be trading in the right direction. So unless it goes down and breaks that structure, anything I see to the downside, I would assume is nothing more than a pullback within the higher time frame move to the upside, which may or may not be a wave B or a wave 2. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.